and today I'm going to teach you how to make a fine tropical cuisine. First, you want to start out by tenderizing the meat. It only takes one movement. First, you want to set it down somewhere sturdy. Now it's tenderized. And so now we can take our knife and we can cut through it. Cut it into nice, thin pieces. Nice, thin pieces, okay? We're going to need as much open surface area as possible. Okay, now we get our bowl. We get our bowl. We get all of our meat into the bowl, and we stir it with our spoon. Look at that. Oh, it's beautiful. Now your next thing you want to do is you want to get some thyme in there. Now our guy, he doesn't know the difference between small thyme and big thyme. I want it big thyme. Okay? Next, we want to get all our ingredients. Make sure everything we need is there. Mix it out one more time. One more time of mixing. Okay? Now we get it into our oven. Set up to 438 for 90 minutes. Up to a day. We need some sweeteners, artificial sweeteners. Sugar, it's the bane of health these days. Alright? We need to get our thyme. We need some more thyme. Alright? Now we want to get the oven ready and going. We're going to leave this here for a day. 1 day, okay? Alright, we are back 1 day later. Let's see how it turned out. It turned out beautifully. This is immaculate. Let me get myself a slice of that. It's a beautiful flavor. There's a wasp coming after me. There's a wasp